Hello and welcome to Keepsales. Now in this video series, we are looking at how to create your online store on Keepsales. And specifically for this video, we will be looking at step number 8 in creating your online store, which is your brief company summary profile. Okay, so let's get to it. Okay, so let's click on the main menu. Let's go to our online store. Let's click on our setup and settings. Okay, so we are on the online store management page. Okay, so step number 8 is the brief company summary profile. Now it says that the information you provide here will be shown in the about us page of your online store. This is an opportunity to tell your customers about your business, a general overview of the products you deal in, and other interesting information to help your customers relate better to your business and trust you more. Okay, so it doesn't have to be too long or too short. It simply has to be enough to help customers get a good overview of your business and its values. Okay, so let's just say that my business Link Me store is a retail chain that provides all manner of goods and services for our most cherished clients. We basically deal in clothing, electrical, hardware, equipment, okay, and kitchen equipment. Okay, so let's just say this is about everything that I want to say about our company. Okay, so once you've provided that information, you click on save changes. Okay, so it is done. We click on done. Now to be able to see where that goes to, we click on view online store. We go to the about us page, because that's where our summary profile, our company profile will appear. So there it is. Okay, who we are and what we stand for. Okay, so it's a retail chain that provides all manner of goods and services for our most cherished clients. We basically deal in clothing, blah blah blah. Okay, so this is what is going to be displayed for your customer, concerning who you are and what you stand for. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. There are more of these amazing videos available online, so do want to check them out. I'll see you again in the next video. Have a wonderful time and bye bye.